In today's video, I show you how to create a waitlist on ConvertKit. Whether you're planning a product launch or want to gauge interest before releasing something new, a waitlist is a great way to gather leads and build excitement. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log into your account or register if you're new. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the Grow section and select Forms. Click the New Form button to get started. For a waitlist, choose Landing Page as your form type. This creates a dedicated page where people can sign up easily. Next, choose a template that matches your brand, or start from scratch if you prefer. Add a compelling headline and a clear description explaining the purpose of your waitlist. Include fields for email, name, and any custom information you want to collect, like product preferences or platform usage. Choose a memorable URL for your landing page and consider adding an incentive, such as a discount or exclusive content, to encourage signups. After designing the page, save your form. Then, set up an automated email sequence by going to Send and selecting Sequences. Create a new sequence like a waitlist welcome sequence. Your first email should introduce your brand, explain the waitlist, and thank subscribers for joining. You can follow up with additional emails to share updates, sneak peeks, or exclusive content to keep your audience engaged. And that's it. You've successfully created a waitlist on ConvertKit, ready to collect leads and build excitement for your upcoming launch. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.